Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we are gonna speak about coated calcium carbonate. First of all, please subscribe PolymerCast channel to notify about news in polymer technologies. The agenda. First of all, we will have an introduction on the calcium carbonate, and then we will describe the coated calcium carbonate, the applications in different industries, market research, and finally conclude. What is carbonate calcium? So here we want to get familiar with the carbonate calcium to see what it is. Calcium carbonate. The calcium carbonate uh, is most widely used in different industries, and this is one of the most useful additive in polymer and plastic industries. Calcium carbonate is a chemical compound with the formula CaCO3 that you can see the formula here that includes the calcium, carbon, and oxygen. The vast majority of calcium carbonate used in industry is extracted by mining. The carbonate calcium widely exists in the vast majority of calcium carbonate used in industry is extracted by mining. Actually, carbonate calcium widely exists in the nature, in uh, in the ground, in the earth, and that could be achieved by mining from the mines. The application of this material as an additive is in construction, health and diet, agriculture and aquaculture, and etc. Actually, in all of the things and materials that we have compounding or other things, we can see the carbonate calcium there. What is coated carbonate calcium? Uh, Actually, the phrase coated used when we want to use a coat on top of some inorganic uh, materials, inorganic particles. And the coat means the surface modification of one particle to modify that and can use that in a better way. The purpose of coating in calcium carbonate is improve the performance of calcium carbonate, improve its applicability, and expand the market. So for the first one, the performance of calcium carbonate, when we use the calcium carbonate particles in, for example, polymers, it will tend to agglomeration. And when we use the coated carbonate calcium, it helps to better distribution in the matrix, and uh, it could coach the purpose to a better performance. For the second one, the applicability of the calcium carbonate. Actually, calcium carbonate, when gets coated, the final application gets more easier than the uh, raw materials, and expand the market by two above options. The last option get accessed, and by better applicability and better performance, the market wants this material more. Surface modified calcium carbonate has changed from a traditional filler to a multifunctional modifier with a wider range of applications and more popularity. Why do we use coat carbonate calcium? Why do we use coated carbonate calcium? When we coat the carbonate calcium, the main questions are why should increase the production price? Because by modifying the filler, the carbonate calcium, the final price for this product increased. So why should we increase the production of price? Because it has other production, actually the excess production price, the excess production expenses, and it increased the production price. Why should we coat the carbonate calcium? And the second question is, will this modification affect the final performance? Actually in the industry, we should optimize the application and the price. So, sorry, the quality and the price. So sometimes the more quality by increasing the price can help the application of that material, and sometimes not. So the answers for these two questions are here. Actually, by coating the carbonate calcium, we improve the dispersion of calcium carbonate uh, in the matrix and in polymers as an additive. The second item is improve the compatibility of calcium carbonate. So by have a better surface, we could have a better compatibility of calcium carbonate. Actually, when we want to disperse an inorganic additive in the organic matrix, we could face some problems like bad dispersion, like weak dispersion, like weak mechanical properties or physical properties, and etc. And so when we add a surface, an organic surface on top of the calcium carbonate, it helps the better compatibility between the matrix and the carbonate calcium. The third item is reduce the oil absorption value of calcium carbonate. Sometimes we need to have less oil absorption, and by using these coats, we could have a lower oil absorption index. The fourth item is expand the high-end application market of calcium carbonate. Actually, by introducing the carbonate calcium, the coated carbonate calcium, we incorporation this in the matrix as an additive, the final properties of the material gets better. And by considering that, we will have a better final product. And when we have a better final product, we will have a better market for that product. And the last item is give calcium carbonate more functional properties. As we discussed before, by coating the calcium carbonate, we will have lots of functional properties here. Let's go talk about this scheme here. Before modification, powder agglomerations is seriously. So this first photo shows that by increasing the percentage of the calcium carbonate in matrix, we will face the agglomeration, and we should use more stress or more temperature to have a better dispersion. But after adding the modifying machine, we could see the better deagglomeration here. And after that, after the modification, an organic coating is formed on the surface on the powder, covering the surface of the powder. This means, what is the coating in this issue? Actually, the coating is using one material that used as an anorganic structure, used as an compatibilizer, and then we will use an organic molecule to have a coating on top of the structures, on top of the nanoparticles or particles. because the calcium carbonate used as nano or micro particles. In here, you could see this structure. These are the compatibilizers, and here we should see the coatings molecules. They form a chemical bond similar to a chemical bond. So actually in here, if we use an organic surface, we could have the chemical bonds with the matrix. And after that, the lipophilic groups are oriented on the surface of calcium carbonate particles, forming a monomolecular film. And here you should see the coated carbonate calcium. Okay, so let's go to the applications of the coated carbonate calcium. The carbonate calcium used in different industries because it has a wide range of applications in different industries. For example, actually the carbonate calcium is one of the most useful fillers in the industries, in different industries like paintings, food additives, and other. For example, in painting, by using the carbonate calcium, you could see some better uh, mechanical and physical properties, and moreover, it decreased the price of the final paintings because the cheapest particle in the painting structures, the paint structures, is carbonate calcium. Food additives. Actually, the carbonate calcium is one of the most and wide used material in food industries. For example, you could see the carbonate calcium in milk or other things that have the calcium. So the food additives is one of this material, this coated carbonate calcium is one of the most useful additive in food industries. The rubber fillers, actually in rubbers, you could have a better mechanical behavior of the rubber by using the carbonate calcium. In plastics, the most reason, actually the strict reason to use the carbonate calcium in plastic industry is to decrease the price of the plastics. And after that, have a better mechanical properties. So by using the carbonate calcium, the coated carbonate calcium, we could have a better dispersion in the structure of plastic matrix, and it helps a better final results. The next industry is cosmetics. Actually, in cosmetics, we can have this coated carbonate calcium in such as sunscreens, creams, or other cosmetics. Moreover, in toothpaste, you could see lots of coated carbonate calcium. And the last item is medicine. Actually, a huge application of this product, the coated carbonate calcium, is in medicines, in all of the pills, in all of the capsules and other drugs. You could see the coated carbonate calcium. Market research. Actually, someone wants to uh, use this coated carbonate calcium and wants to produce that. So we should see how much does the market could accept this material. The consume rate. Actually, the consume rate for different industries are here. The most application of the coated calcium carbonate is in construction, and after that is in painting, is in plastics, and after that is in painting. This is the most wide market for this. And if we want to have a good conclusion on this presentation, first of all, we introduce the calcium carbonate. What is calcium carbonate? The calcium carbonate is one of the most applicable additives and fillers in different industries like food, like plastics, like resins, and other things. What is the coated calcium carbonate? When we put a an organic coat on top of the calcium carbonate particle, we will have the coated calcium carbonate. And because of its better performance in final product, you could see that in a better area. And about the application of this coated calcium carbonate and this nanoparticle is using as an additive in different industries, and it will have a better performance in final product. Thank you for watching this presentation. I wish that this presentation is useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe us, and this is our pleasure to help you to increase your knowledge about the polymer industries.